2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha YZF R3. In the realm of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 emerges as a thrilling option, offering novice riders an exhilarating blend of sporty performance, precision handling, and cutting-edge design. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the YZF R3 seamlessly combines Yamaha's engineering excellence with a design that captures the spirit of sport riding. In 2024, the YZF R3 continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the sheer joy of mastering the art of sport motorcycling. 1. Sporty Supersport Design. The Yamaha YZF R3 boasts a sporty supersport design, setting it apart as a visually dynamic and aggressive option for beginner riders. With its aerodynamic fairings, twin-eye headlights, and MotoGP-inspired styling, the YZF R3 exudes a sense of high-performance athleticism. Yamaha's commitment to a design that embraces sport riding ensures that the YZF R3 not only delivers a visually striking riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the adrenaline-fueled excitement associated with supersport motorcycles. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for dynamic performance. At the heart of the YZF R3 lies a potent 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a dynamic blend of accessible power and sporty performance. Yamaha's engine design focuses on providing a high-revving yet manageable power band, making it an ideal choice for novice riders eager to experience the thrill of sport riding. The YZF R3's engine offers sufficient power for spirited city commuting, engaging weekend rides, and the exhilarating feel of pushing the limits on twisty roads, providing a versatile platform for riders to explore the world of sport motorcycling. 3. Responsive handling in track-inspired chassis. Designed for responsive handling, the Yamaha YZF R3 features a track-inspired chassis that contributes to its precise and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and sport-oriented ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through curves, master cornering techniques, and experience the dynamic feel of sport riding. The YZF R3's responsive nature enhances its appeal, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the excitement of carving through turns with precision. 4. Comfortable seating and sporty ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the YZF R3 features sporty ergonomics that strike a balance between performance and rider comfort. The motorcycle offers a committed yet comfortable riding position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a forward-leaning posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without excessive fatigue. Yamaha's commitment to rider comfort makes the YZF R3 not only a thrilling option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily rides, spirited outings, and exploring the exhilarating world of sport motorcycling. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 YZF R3 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a digital instrument cluster, advanced braking systems, and Yamaha's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality without compromising the bike's sporty appeal. Yamaha ensures that the YZF R3 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge design with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 stands as a global icon of entry-level supersport greatness, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its sporty supersport design, potent parallel twin engine, responsive handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of sport motorcycling with a taste for adrenaline. Whether mastering the basics, exploring city streets with agility, or pushing the boundaries on challenging roads, the YZF R3 encapsulates the spirit of Yamaha's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and thrilling motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the sheer joy of mastering the art of sport riding, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.